Good morning, I'm Gab Pera, Sports Corner PH, People's Journal tonight, and of course, special participation of PTV Sports Network. Ma'am Cynthia, unahin muna kita. I observed nga pala yung NCAA Aerobic Gymnastics Competition sometime last May, and nakita naman natin how vibrant, how energetic yung ating mga members ng ating aerobic gymnastics, and even yung mga of course, naglaro sa national team pero part rin ng mga NCAA schools. So, itong development na rin na of course kabilang nga ang aerobics as one of the sports na regular sports sa NCAA, tutuloy-tuloy ba siya? And of course, malaking may tulong na rin for the grassroots development na rin as a whole para dito sa aerobics.
Yes, you know, to tell you the truth is, when we were giving them how to join us for the NCAA. Do you know that I was just thinking, I put music for them, and I told them, come on, compete. I will give you 2,000 pesos, the winner. You know that they did compete, and they were so good. And they're not even athletes. They were not even trained athletes. But they did well. That's the Filipino for you. We are a part of this, really. So we really have to support this.
And this is actually a good purpose na rin. Now, of course, ihalo na rin yung joyful music, ika nga, to make sure nga na, of course, yung mga steps ng ating mga gymnasts, sumusunod din sila at least akma sila sa kanilang routines and performances. Lalo na, of course, nung mga nakaraang events, malaking factor talaga ng pagkakaroon ng mga iba't ibang mga music genres to make sure na that all performances are standing out nga, whether Team Philippines man and even others na rin. So, with regards sa music, yun natin, nagagamitin na rin. We assure nga na, of course, 100% ready na rin dahil nakita naman natin yung ating team music na rin, and at the same time, may mga ihanda pa kayo mga music for our gymnasts na rin.
Yes, thank you.
Ay, mic po. Sorry.
Yes, but you know, I have to take care of the other disciplines. So right now, I'm going to check on them check their music. Their music goes with the movement. It's important that music goes with the movement. Very, very important.
Isa muna kay Ma'am Rowena. So, currently, ang ating aerobic gymnastics team is training sa Rizal. Some of them,
Yes.
and some of them ay sa Intramuros.
Ang aerobics po ay dito na po sa Rizal.
Sa Rizal talaga. So, kamusta ang moral? Kamusta ang, sabihin nating, expectation sa training nga? Lalo na, ilang linggo na lang, Asian Championships na.
Excited po silang lahat. Actually, we only have one aerobic floor right now. So, you will see talaga, excited lahat, nagbibigayan. So, can you imagine, we have 43 athletes competing. So, from 6 in the morning until like 9 in the evening, nagtitraining po sila. Sharing lang sila ng floor.
And for now, yung mga national team members na yun, na seniors ang nakikitrain, and in the
And
weeks,
also, the youth and the junior.
and yung mga galing Mindanao, no, nandito na rin sila.
Yes, yung iba nandito na po.
Okay. And of course, good luck sa ating team na rin. Last question na lang, since nabanggit din natin, still gap related to, pero may kilalaman ito sa gymnastics pa rin, sa trampoline. Because we have also some stand-up performances from different trampoline gymnasts na maybe someday, hopefully, makakwalify tayo sa Olympics. We have LJ Padilla, tapos yung mga juniors na rin. What can you say sa ipinakita nilang good results na doon sa trampoline competitions na sinagawa abroad, especially sa Hong Kong? Thank you po.
Yes, we are proud, no? We are proud to say na we have a very strong team in trampoline. Actually, this is the first time po nasasali yung gymnastics team sa Asian Games, yung ating trampoline athletes po. Nag-qualify po sila from the Asian Championship, so they will be joining the Asian Games, and we are pushing for them to compete in the World Championship after the Asian Games. Because you know, trampoline is an Olympic game, so hopefully we will also have qualifiers po.
Ma'am Cynthia, your take sa ating trampoline team natin.
Yes. You know, I'm very proud of them because for Southeast Asia, they're not very good in trampoline. We are good. The whole world is very good in trampoline. So what will be competing against the world, not for against Southeast Asian countries, against the world countries. Because ang galing-galing sila. If you watch, Google some trampoline and you will see it's very, very good. So I'm happy. I'm hoping that we can get a foreign coach for trampoline. And that will make it if we get a foreign coach.
Nice. So we're good in trampoline.